Today, you're listening to your boy, Modi. That was my best Jay-Z / Motor Mouth Slicks impersonation.
God, yeah, that shit was trash, yo. Trash.
Yeah. So I got new parts for the sn95 and also for the 5.0. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, I got an sn95 and I also have a 5.0 1990 FOXBODY Mustang. So yeah, we'll go inside, we're gonna check out some of the parts. Stay tuned.
Slicks.
Yeah, these are pretty cool. They give them sn95 a more modern look. You know, I like them. Probably won't be easy to install, but I like them. These are the field housing bolts, ARP field housing bolts for the FOXBODY. This is also for the FOXBODY. And what do we have here? Open this one on. What is this? These are also trans-mounting bushings, more ARPs, and let's go over here. We have the cold air intake. Comes with all of these. I'm guessing this is the filter. Yeah, last time I got all this stuff, didn't have everything in here. Now I got everything. This one is a reorder. But I noticed when I seen this last time that I would definitely want a new filter. I don't really like this one. It's probably the best one to have, but I don't really like it. So yeah. I basically got all these parts. And I've been like, I'm like part hoard. So during the summer, I'll just have everything to just go throughout and just put it all in and get the cars up and running. And then have a beautiful summer. If it's possible, I'll have all of this done before summer. Hopefully I can get it done before summer, but if not, I have a lot to do during the summer. Hopefully all my cars is running, because that's really all I want, to get all the cars running, get the parts, and we almost there. Yeah. The sun's shining hard. Good in the sun, don't it? Yeah. So that's it. You know, get this thing up and running. That one took